Always handle the printer with the equipment turned off and the power cable disconnected before working on any component. If you need to disconnect cables or tubes, take a photo before starting to ensure correct reconnection afterward. Always protect the environment and the printer. Wear gloves if you need to handle tubes, dampers, or any other component that contains ink, as it can be corrosive. Avoid contact between the ink and electronic components, as it may cause damage. In this video, we will show you how to replace the printer dampers. First, open the machine cover. Place lint-free paper on the print platen to prevent any contamination during the procedure. Move the printhead over the lint-free paper. Remove the screws and take off the printhead cover. Next, remove the screws from the heating module and detach the upper section of the assembly. Close the clamps on the ink tubes to prevent ink leakage during the procedure. Prepare some lint-free paper and a sealed bag to temporarily store the dampers. Remove the dampers and place them inside the sealed bag. Then, disconnect the power cable from the heating module and cut the damper tubes. Replace the dampers with new ones. Insert the ink tubes into each damper. Once all the dampers are installed, open the clamps and use a syringe to remove the air from the dampers. Remember to close the clamp again after removing the air to prevent any ink leakage. Reinstall the dampers into the heating module. Insert each damper into its corresponding position. Next, install the upper cover of the damper compartment and tighten all the screws. Reconnect the power cable to the heating module. Open the tube clamp again to restore the ink flow. Reinstall the printhead cover and tighten the screws to secure it properly. Finally, verify that all components are correctly installed and close the machine cover.